So this is our last mentor sentence of your third grade year. And by this point in time, or at this point in time, you now know how to label every single one of these words. Our story, called Henry's Freedom Box, and it is based on a true story. And our sentence, when he wiped away his tears, Nancy too was gone. Now, our sentence is a complex sentence. It is complex because of this word right here, when. That is our subordinating conjunction. So we know when we see a subordinating conjunction that the rest of this, or that this sentence, is going to be complex. When he wiped away his tears, we don't fully need this piece in there. It is just added on for some extra detail. So that's partly how we know as well that this is a complex sentence. Now the rest of the sentence, everything in here, we've learned. We've learned about the adjectives that you're going to find, the adverbs that you're going to find, the verbs. The only possible tricky one is the word was. That word is called a linking verb. And so we've looked at that before, but we haven't fully studied linking verbs. So that would probably be the only one that you might not have been sure on, but you should know all of these other pieces. All right, my friends, have fun with your last mentor sentence of the year.